Hi, welcome or welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Sin and this is Beauty with Sin. And in today's video, I am bringing you a wig from Amazon. This one is Invisible Lace HD 13 by 6 pre-plucked. Her name is Bella and I got her in balayage caramel. Now she is multi-free parting, so she can part down the center, from the right side, the left side. She is heat safe up to, I believe on the stock card, it did not say, but she is heat safe. So yeah, let's take her out the package and pretty much see what she gives. I've been wearing her now because as I'm doing the voiceover, I've been wearing her now for a while, and she does tangle. That is a disclaimer I will let you know, is that she does tangle a bit. But once you brush her out with the paddle brush, she's good. Also, she's actually human hair and synthetic fiber. So she is by a company called The Stylist, and it's the Realistic Natural Hairline, which is really good. I would love to get her in a different color, possibly something darker. You will have to make sure that when you part her, that you're actually parting her so that you can get a good part. Now, I showed you an up close of the texture. So like I said, she is human hair mastered blend. That's what it says on the stock card, 100% blend. The color is really great. Now, the front there where those pin curls were, I had to pretty much like comb them out and consistently comb them out to kind of get them to fall the way I wanted them to fall, because she does not, the way I have her done does not look anything like on the stock card. She does come with baby hair. I did not use any of those, so you won't be seeing me adjusting baby hairs. You guys know that I don't care for them for myself personally, so I just kind of brushed them into the front of the wig. Now, this lace you will definitely have, and I'll tell you a trick. One thing about when I started learning how to do cutting the lace off, because I used to cut sometimes too far off, and you can wear this as glueless. You don't even need to put any kind of glue. I don't get the idea of that back piece, but I guess if you wanted to put your hair up in a ponytail, it will probably do what it needs to do. I don't have the right stocking cap on, but that's okay. It does have two combs at the side, you know, the normal structure. And it has the 13 by 6. It has a larger parting space, so you're able to maneuver the parting space. Here I'm fixing the straps. It is a bit big, so you will have to adjust the straps. You know, I like to give it to you raw out the bag, put it on, don't do too much to it, and just kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. I did bring my mirror there, and so I take my glasses off. Now, the color of the lace is very bright, light bright. And so a trick I learned over the last couple of months is, with this being a pre-plucked hairline, I take the scissors and go under the hairline, just above, like an inch in front of that hairline, to cut the lace off. And that has helped me tremendously, like seriously has helped tremendously, of being able to cut the lace off and actually not damage the wig. Because in the beginning I was damaging most of the wigs, but I made it work. So yeah, this one, she's pretty decent. She's pretty decent. I can't complain. I actually like her, but she does tangle, so you will have to brush her. I think what I didn't like about it is where they placed the blonde in the back. And then when I turned around there, yeah, the way they placed the blonde in there, they didn't really blend it in very well, in my opinion, in the crown. But apart from that, the colors blend well once I brushed it out and so forth. So I'm going to stop talking now, play some music for you guys so you guys can kind of like watch the video and see what I come up with. If you like this one, the link is going to be in the description box. It is not expensive. Like I said, it's free parting, so you can part it anywhere. Center, side, left side, right side, whichever you want. She's a keeper, but definitely keep in mind that the con is that she tangles a bit. So I went ahead and cut the lace off camera, and I wanted to kind of show you guys the lightness of the lace. It does lay down depending on the amount of lace that you leave on. Like I said, you see how I cut underneath the hair that's in the front, which is like the baby hairs. I feel like if you take the scissors on the side and cut it that way, it makes the lace, gives you enough lace that you need to leave back. I did jagger it up a little bit so it doesn't look uniform straight across. I don't like that line right there. I don't know what it is, but I do not like that line that's from one side to the next on the wig cap. I took my Yummy Skin tint foundation and I put a little bit on the brush. It is a little darker, but it worked out for me because I started using dark stocking caps. So I think with some of these wigs, if it's like pre-pluck and it has a good lace underneath, you can easily get away without using like the stocking cap that I'm currently wearing. But yeah, as you can see in the camera, the foundation was a little bit dark, but I made it work. It actually came out the way I wanted it to, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, the usual, tint the lace a bit. You can use the tinting spray. Now they have good tinting sprays that you can actually use, but like I said, I use what I had on hand because I don't believe I have any more tinting spray at all. And now let's put the wig on and keep it going. So I went ahead and cut the lace off camera, and I wanted to kind of show you guys the lightness of the lace. It does lay down depending on the amount of lace that you leave on. Like I said, I cut underneath the hair that's in the front, which is like the baby hairs. I feel like if you take the scissors on the side and cut it that way, it makes the lace, gives you enough lace that you need to leave back. I did jagger it up a little bit so it doesn't look uniform straight across. I don't like that line right there. I don't know what it is, but I do not like that line that's from one side to the next on the wig cap. I took my Yummy Skin tint foundation and I put a little bit on the brush. It is a little darker, and but it worked out for me because I started using dark stocking caps. So As a beginner, when you're using these wigs or you're installing these wigs and you're cutting them, play with the styling of how you want the wig to look. Sometimes I like to wear my own natural hair with a updo at the top and then leave the other out at the back. For this one, I would have to pluck a little bit more of the hair on the sides in order to kind of give that look, because I could still see that it needs a little bit of plucking. With a nice flat iron or curling iron, you could make those bangs work, those long side pieces work. But here is a few pictures I took with an updo and the bangs. Thank you for watching.